International projects don't usually fail because of technical differences. They struggle because different teams assume they are working toward the same outcome when they are not. We recently had a conversation with a general contractor working on a project for German owners in North Carolina. One point stood out. The technical capability isn't really the problem. The challenge is that the owner expectations, project standards, and definition of quality don't always align with how projects are typically delivered in the US. The drawings may look complete. The contract may be in place, but the project team is often working from different assumptions. Those differences don't become obvious during design. They become visible during coordination, procurement, and installation. Now, why this costs you money? When expectations aren't aligned early, the project starts asking expensive questions. That's not what the owner expected. That's how we normally build it. We didn't know that the requirement. Every one of those conversations costs time and money. This creates RFIs, redesign, procurement, delays, field changes, and unnecessary friction between the owner, the design team, and the contractor. The issue isn't technically ability. It's a different understanding of what the project is supposed to deliver. So, now what are the 3 steps to align expectations before construction? Step 1. Understanding the owner's intent. Before discussion routing or equipment, understand what matters to the owner, which technically standards are non-negotiable, which maintenance expectations exist, which operational goals are driven the project. Without that understanding, the team is coordinating drawings, not delivering the owner's vision. Step 2. Translate expectations into buildable requirements. Owner expectations need to become clear construction requirements. That means validating equipment selections, installation methods, service access, coordination standards, and documentation requirements before the fabrication begins. The goal isn't to preserve every design preference. The goal is to make the owner's expectations acceptable by the field team. And the step 3, validate before construction starts. Finally, confirm that everyone shares the same understanding. The owner, the design team, the general contractor, and the HVAC subcontractor. When those expectations are aligned before procurement and fabrication, the project moves with a far fewer surprises. So, at H Design and Build, we work with international projects, typically German owners, where their technical expectations and local construction practices don't always match. Our role is to bridge that gap before it becomes a field problem. We take the owner's intent, validate it against real installation conditions, and ensure the HVAC system can be delivered the way the project expects, not just the way it's traditionally built. Your key takeaway is successful international projects are defined by better drawings. They are defined by a shared understanding of what needs to be built and how it will be executed. The earlier that understanding is established, the fewer surprises the project faces during construction. So, if that is a challenge on one of your projects, our free HVAC risk check is a good place to start. See you.